How to attach a wheel set to your DT320 mini pipe crawler. The attachment of different wheel sets allow your crawler to operate in various sizes and types of pipes. For larger diameter pipes, you require the 8-inch rubber wheel set. Smaller pipes require the 6-inch rubber wheel set, or the 6-inch or 8-inch carbide grit wheel set for PVC and clay pipes. On the back of each wheel is a square set that fits onto the wheel of the track of your DT320 Mini. Align the holes on the wheels until it snaps into place. Insert one bolt into the center hole of the wheels and tighten it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat the process by placing and aligning the other wheels and inserting and tightening the bolts. For more tips and guides, visit our resources at deeptrekker.com.